Right, we're back in the Not Just Vintage, and we're going to start our new business course, which is Build a Better Dance Business.
Right, okay.
And we're going to try and apply the same principles as we have here in the shop to the dance business. So we've got Ruth along as our advisor, as a non-dancer.
Non-dancer, lay person.
Yeah, but you have done grease lighting, haven't you?
I have, yeah.
Yeah, and the bump, did we do the bump?
No, I don't think we did.
No, we didn't.
No,
did we?
no, I don't think we did.
So Ruth's going to look at it from the outsider's point of view, and I'm going to look at it from the insider's point of view, and we're going to try and help the dance schools to develop a little bit. The first thing I always say when we're discussing any sort of business, and it applies to the dance business, particularly at the moment, ballroom, Latin, sequence, is how do you promote yourself? So if we were to say, how do you promote yourself in the shop? Or how have we done it in the past? We would find the selling groups, we would post on the shop page, and we would post to all the selling groups on the world. Now, what we've done on the dance side is we've actually found all the dance groups on Facebook, which is this, and created, this is actually a posting schedule. Do you use a posting schedule on your site?
Yeah, sort of.
Sort of.
Yeah, sort of.
Sort of, right. The reason we put it into a schedule is that you can't always remember where you put the last post.
Yeah, it does help if you write down which ones you've posted.
Which
to.
one you posted.
Yeah.
So on this particular one, we write down where it was posted and how many views it had on that from the previous posts. The videos that we use are already on YouTube. So if you put them on YouTube first and then post them onto Facebook, they can be referred back to and you can get a count. So you know how many views you've had. This particular one is a friend of ours who we helped promote the event, and it's been going for 3 years in this format. It was going for a long time before that, but it has achieved 22,000 views from inception by using this method. The main thing about that is it only costs you time, it doesn't cost you money.